What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new day. Welcome back to a new episode, and welcome back to Nashville, Tennessee. I was just leaving work, and now I'm stranded on the side of the road. I don't know what was going on. I was cruising along, and all of a sudden the power just went on the truck, and it locked up, like no power steering, no nothing. Luckily, I was able to coast into a local little neighborhood here, and then now I've just parked my truck next to this lady's house that I don't have a clue who it is. So hopefully I can get this sorted out today and then get the truck up and running, but it sounds like the engine it tries to turn over, but it's like the starter's bad or something. I don't know. So I've got to go home, get my code reader, come back here, get the truck, figure all this out. Just good times. My slingshot, I think that's the only thing I've got running right now, but it's getting too cold to drive that, so I don't really know what I'm going to do. So stay tuned. All right, so I think the fuel pump's gone out in the Dodge Ram. My truck's still on the side of the road, so all I've got right now is my slingshot. As you can see, I went to work in the slingshot today. That's fucking crazy. All right, made it home. Again, I went and looked at the Dodge today. I wanted to see what that was like, see what was going on there. I think the fuel pump's what's gone bad. Nothing's showing up on the scanner. I've used 2 or 3 different scanners now to scan this truck. Nothing's showing up with it. I don't have a clue what's going on, but I'm gonna get it towed back to the house, change that fuel pump out, and hopefully the Dodge will be back on the road and running. All right, y'all, we're out here. So when the wrecker guy, when he dropped the truck off, he just kind of parked it on the side. We've got it neutral and got it pushed up over the curb because the Escalade's in the way. It's kind of stuck. I tried to fire it up. The battery's dead on it. So hopefully, after pulling it with the tow strap in the car there, hopefully we can get this thing in the driveway or in the garage tonight so we can start working on changing out this fuel pump. All right, let's do this thing. And the Dodge made it in the garage. So now we're gonna get to changing out that fuel pump. Thought I'd bring y'all down here in the action. So, as you can see here, I've got the pump. I finally got this ring off. I've dropped the gas tank down. This is just a gross nightmare down here. This is not where you want to be. I'm at least at that halfway point where I'm fixing to pull that fuel pump out. So I wanted to show y'all and give y'all a look at what I got going on down here. Feeling the nice cramped space down here. So let's get this fuel pump out. All right. Let's see if we can wiggle this out here. There we go, there we go. All right, got a little movement on her now. Sorry. With a lot of careful effort. We got the old pump out. Out. I'm hoping this new one just slides right down in there. And it did. Hopefully nothing broke there. Whoops. Okay. So now I'm gonna get the ring placed back on there. All right, give me just a few minutes. Let me sort this out. It's gonna be boring. You're not gonna wanna watch this. And hopefully we'll be firing the truck up here before too long. Got the fuel pump all put in, the new fuel pump. As you can see, I'm filthy. My hands don't ever get dirty, so take a picture of this, save this moment here. And fixes the problem. I'm gonna try and prime it. Oh yeah, that sounds nice. Awesome. You don't know how good that makes me feel right now. I'm like so happy right now that I could cry. Well, now that I got to ride to work tomorrow, I greatly appreciate y'all watching. Thank you so much. I love you, and I'll see you soon.